me, Jade. Today we're going to be learning cramp rolls. Here we go! Tap dance today. Okay, let me break that down for you. So first things first, what is a cramp roll? It's right, left. You go onto your toes, right, left, and then heel, right, left. Okay? Right, left. Right, left, right, left. Have you done this side? You can see? Right, left. Right, left. Cramp roll. Okay? Good. Nice. So this is a cramp roll. So the exercise goes 1, 2, 3, step. 1, 2, 3 cramp rolls, yeah? So right foot, cramp, roll, step right, step left, step. When we step, we are on our toes. Then we repeat that. 3 cramp rolls, step. Ready, go. Cramp, roll, step. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. Put those two together. We start on the 8th count. So 5, 6, 7, cramp, roll, step again. Cramp, roll, step. Okay, so after that, we're going to do cramp, roll, step. Here we go. Cramp, roll, step. Again. Cramp, roll, step. One more time, cramp, roll. Cramp, roll, step, ball change. Okay, that frees up your left leg to take over and start it on the left side. But let's go back. We've got 3 cramp, roll, step, times 2. 5, 6, 7, cramp, roll, step. Again, cramp, roll, and 1. Cramp, roll, step together. Cramp, roll, step together. Final cramp, roll, step, ball change, left side. Let's try our cramp rolls on the left side. So it's left, right. Okay? Toe, heel. Cramp, roll. Shoot from the side. Cramp, roll. Okay. So the left side is the right side reversed. 3 cramp rolls and step together on your left side. 5, 6, 7, cramp, roll, step. Again, cramp, roll. Now singles, cramp, roll, step together, cramp, roll, step together. Final cramp, roll, step, ball change. So let's put it all together. Right side then left side. 5, 6, 7. Step together. 1, 2, 3. And singles. Step together. Cramp, roll. Step together. Cramp, roll. Step, ball change. Left side. Cramp, roll. I'm so proud of you guys. See you in the next lesson.